What's up guys, your boy Junior here bringing another great video to the channel. If this is your first time here, guys, in this channel we do a lot of product reviews, tech reviews, live gaming reviews. We do all types of stuff, even vlogs we do on this channel. So if you like all that stuff and more, then stay tuned to the channel.
Hey guys, are you looking for some awesome and premium service TV? Then you want to come and check out catchontv.com. Once you go here, it'll bring you to this great nice looking website right here. Look at all the stuff they have to offer, and look at this right here. Take a free trial right here. You get to get a free 3-day trial. Check it out. You got so much information, and look at the layout of this website. This website looks so nice, guys. Gives you all the information you need to go ahead and get started. But wait, there's more. Let's go and check out the app itself. Look at the app right here. Look how nice this app is. Like, look at the layout on this, guys. You don't want to miss out. Look at all this stuff they have available for you guys to check out. So much stuff to check out, guys. Trust me, you're not going to regret it, so come and check them out today.
Alright guys, so today I got a great new product that I got in my hands today, which is awesome. It's a great device if I want to be able to keep all my computer stuff at one place and access it anywhere in the world. Also, I can keep my movie collection in this. If you guys haven't figured it out yet, you might have read the title already. I picked up a Asustor Nas 4-bay kit right here. This is a 4-bay drive kit that has a built-in Plex server, so I can use the Plex off of here and play on any of my TVs easily. And it comes in this box right here, guys. I'm gonna unbox it to you and show you what comes in here, but I'm not gonna go ahead and activate it. Why? I'm not gonna get it set up or anything because the fact is I don't have the drives yet. The drives are another about 300 each. Because I gotta get special drives. I gotta get NAS drives. Either the red WD red drives, the NAS drives, or the Seagate iron gate, red hard iron, something like that. Red iron. I think it's red iron. They're both red drives, but this is where you put them in here and put it and be able to have it wirelessly over the network. You can access it from anywhere, which I think I've been wanting to get this, and I finally got it. This is the model. I forgot the model number of this one. This is the AS5304T. All right. I wanted to get another one that has its own built-in like wireless signal, but they don't make that one anymore. So they made this is the upgraded version of it. Hopefully it works the same way as I hope it does. But this is what it looks like in the front of the box. You got the picture of the NAS drive or the NAS enclosure. There's a lot of features on here too that you can use it for. It has quad core processor, 4 gigs of RAM, DDR4. It has 2.5 gigahertz link aggressive, 3 USB 3.0 or 3.2 USB spots, has an HDMI, so you don't have to hook it up to your computer to figure it. You can hook it up to your TV and you can configure it off your TV. So you do need a PC sometimes, but sometimes you don't. And there you go. It has hardware transcoder, magnifying front cover. This is the front cover right here. It comes right off and you can see the drive. I'll show you all that when I open this up. Toolless installation, and it has a 3-year warranty according to the box itself. And I like how they said it, more than just storage. It is, because I can get all my stuff and transfer stuff from computer to computer by using this alone, which is awesome. If we look on the side here, it has the Asustor Data Master for enthusiasts, lifestyle applications, and surveillance center. You can use it for anything, and it works on your Windows, Apple, and Linux systems. All right, and you can download the app on your phone. They have it for iOS and Android. And right here gives you the specs. I'll go over the specs when I open it up. It just tells you what kind of connection it has inside. And on the top doesn't really have much, but more there's barcode. On the bottom is another barcode too. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open this up and show you what it looks like inside. All right. So this is good, like just to have your stuff storage off your computer, so the computer dies, at least you have all your stuff backed up. And what's the maximum capacity on here? This takes up to 72 terabytes. So you can put in 4 18 terabyte drives in here. That's why it's costing me so much. If I'm gonna put drives in here, I'm gonna max it out like I always do. All right, so when you first open it up, guys, you have this. Here's the actual NAS system right here. And this, I'm pretty sure, is all the cables and everything. Right here, I'm gonna put this to the side. Open them next. All right, so now I'm gonna take out the drive itself, the enclosure, the NAS system right here. All right, so there's nothing else in the box. So that box right there that I took out earlier was the cables and everything. And you can already see the box is not big at all. It's a very small box, but you can fit 4 enclosed hard drives in here. All right, so let's take a look. All right, and the main reason I got this so I can put all my movies in here and I can run it off my Plex. So this will be my Plex server instead of using my router or my computer or even my NVIDIA Shield. I can use this as my Plex server. All right, so I'm gonna bring it up close to you guys here. So when you first get it, it looks like this. Very simple. As you see, there's this tape right here. I'm gonna take off the tape off the enclosed cover here. Or actually, no, it's not tape. It's just, oop, there you go. And this goes right here. As you see, it's magnetic. Do the ASMR peel. Didn't work the way I wanted to, but it's okay. So first off, we take off the cover here. You look right here. You got your 4 bays here to open it up. So all you gotta do is actually just lift it up here, take it out, and hook up your drive right here. And it tells you where to hook it up because in this little end there right here, you see that little end there right there, that's where the connection goes. So if you put a 3.5, it'll fit this whole thing. If you put 2.5 drive, it'll fit right here, guys, right here in this section right here. All right, right here. And you can see the screw holes for them. And once you do it, put it in here, you can just slide it in here. Make sure you slide it the right way. Stick it back in there, and you're all set. You open up the thing, stick it in, and boom, just like that. And then once you do all that, you put the cover back on. It's that simple, guys. Very, very simple. All right, so let's take a look at the front. You have your power button up here. You have all your indicators right here. It tells you which drive is working. Tells you what kind, if it's connected by USB right there, by network. I think that's a power light, and then I don't know what that light is for. Then you have your cycle for, I think, your array modes on this one. I'm not too sure. I gotta look into that. You have a 3.2 USB port right here in the front. So if you do want to hook up an external hard drive, you could do it, and then you can transfer files or play movies off of that, or load up any files through that USB if you want to. All right, so we're gonna go to the sides. There's nothing on the sides, just a sleek look, very sleek. Now the top is the same thing, the bottom same thing. In the back here, you have a big old fan here, keeps it cool, which is awesome. You have 2 Ethernet jacks here, so you can hardwire it to it. You got 2 more 3.2 USB drives port right there. You have your power plug that goes right here, and your HDMI, you hook it up to whatever you want. So very, very, very simple, guys. So really, that's what I'm gonna be doing today, is showing you what this looks like. Again, I'm not gonna hook it up today because I don't have the drives yet, but I will have the drives soon. Once I have the drives, I'll show you how the whole system works. But I did want to get, this is a nice little NAS drive enclosure. Keeps 4 bays. Remember, each bay holds 18 terabytes. So 4 times 18, 72 terabytes. Awesome, in my opinion. All right, so before I put this away, I want to go ahead and show you what comes in the box. See what cables they provide us. This is the box that I took out first from the whole box itself. If I take it out, it looks like this is the power brick right here to provide the power to the box itself. The cable for the power brick. All right, they do provide you with the screws to, so when you put the drives in, you have screws right there ready for it to be installed, which is awesome. And they do include 2 Ethernet cables. You can hardwire it to your router if you want. Comes with 2 installation packages here. Shows you how to install it. Very, very, very simple. I know this video wasn't too informative, just showing you how I'm unboxing it, but that's all I can do for right now until I get my drives. Again, once I get my drives, I'll go ahead and show you more of it. But I hope you enjoyed this video on this unboxing of my Asustor NAS Enclosure. If you did, go ahead and give me a big old thumbs up. Show me all the love and support that you guys love to show the channel. Also, don't forget to hit that share button, because sharing is caring, and we want to make sure that everyone's aware of all the stuff we do on this channel, so you don't miss out, just like they don't miss out. And if you still haven't done so to the end of this video, guys, hit the subscribe button, enable bell notifications, so you get notified every time we drop great videos like this one or whenever we go live. Because trust me, guys, you never ever want to miss out. And if you have any questions, comments, concerns, put them in the comment box down below. I'll get to you as soon as I can, when I can, as fast as I can. And that's it for today, guys. Until next time, I'm out of here. Peace.